This is focused more on the stretch part. So you don't necessarily got to go heavy on this. It's more about the stretch you get in your muscles, allowing the blood to really, you know. Plus, if you do it tempo and slow, you're not going to need heavy weight anyway. Trust me. But see, doing these, the rest time needs to be shorter. Like I won't rest no longer than a minute and 30 seconds. My hand was slipping. My left hand was slipping. I gotta work on my grip. Definitely. But part of that is because I got this fat bar. I have a. I'm not sure what this bar is called. Like most bars you lift with aren't this big. Like this is a 45-pound bar, but it's more. The diameter of it is bigger than what I'm normally used to lifting. Like at school or gyms, they have smaller bars. This bar is really thick. It's still 45 pounds, but the diameter from all around is just thicker. But it is what it is. Still need to work on grip strength regardless of the bar. I might. Ooh, my legs. Ooh, like a noodle. I might take the 25s off to accommodate for the grip. I don't know. We'll see how this one go. Yeah, it's slipping. Yeah, I'm gonna take 25. I gotta take the 25s off. Gotta accommodate. Back. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna start knocking these sets off. I'm gonna kind of start supersetting these back to back to really get that burn. Bye. Hey, look. Yeah. Now gonna take a long break here, kind of let the hamstrings rejuvenate a little bit, and then go right back into it. Kind of like a superset, but like a little break. My legs starting to shake. Pause. Right back into it. I think that was maybe a 45-second break. I need to flip hands now though. One more, one more. Now that was failure. Okay, I'm gonna need another break. Uh, uh, oh Lord. Oh. Now, I think I'm gonna end off this video here. Gotta do some cardio, but I'm in this video here. God loves you. I'm out.